Hi everyone, want to create a cinematic trailer for your project, vlog, or short film? Follow this step-by-step guide to make a movie trailer in CapCut. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to plan the trailer structure. Structure your video like you have an opening logo, then dramatic text to intro, two quick action cuts, then I can also add a slow-mo emotion clip and add a final title and the release date. And here's the sample template like in a world where the silence speaks louder than words, one hero rises. And you can also use a cinematic fonts and text effects. Just tap the text and add a text like coming soon or this summer, then use serif or trailer fonts you like. You can have an option to choose whatever you want and add a text animation. Then you can also add or apply a color grading for a movie look. You can tap adjust and tune the contrast, the saturation, sharpen, and highlights, or use a filters like cinematic, retro, teal, and orange, and more. Here you can also add a letterbox block bars. You can add a block PNG image and resize the top and the bottom of the screen to create a widescreen cinematic look. You can also use an overlay, then click shape, and then it's a rectangle and adjust an opacity and size. And here you can also add a trailer sound effects and background music and use a flash cuts and speed ramps. Then end with a logo or reveal the title. And that's it. Here's a bonus tips. You can use CapCut's auto captions if you want. You can also add a glitch or VCR overlays and combine the AI generated voices into voiceover intros. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.